Hey everybody, it's Scott Hollister with Landscape Management Magazine. We are at Equip Expo 2025. Aaron Griffith joins us with our friends at Hustler, and we are taking a look at a new standard unit that is hitting the market. And as we were talking earlier, Aaron, that's a market in terms of growth that's just kind of skyrocketed here in recent years, and that sort of drove your work on this unit.
Yeah, it really did. Good to see you again another year. But yeah, we came out with the new Surfer X coming for 2026. It's going to be available in a 34-inch and a 48-inch deck, ZT 3100 transaxles, Kawasaki FS series engines, flat free front tires, adjustable pad for different height operators, adjustable suspension for different weighted operators to give that adjustability for different size folks.
And you were mentioning to me a little bit ago about the price point for these units and how that would appeal to more contractors.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, as folks need to get through gates, it's a big challenge that a lot of landscapers face. Those mowers that'll get through gates have risen in price over the years, and we wanted to come out with a unit that had a little bit more attractive, better price point. So the 34-inch model in this is going to have a high $7,000 price point.
And in terms of availability, are these on the market available to buy now, or what's the time horizon?
We can take your order now,
but
we will be shipping these units starting in December of this year.
Perfect.
Actually, yep.
Right around the corner. Perfect Christmas
Perfect.
gift.
Yeah, I'll put a bow on it for you if you'd like.
That's right. Well, Aaron, thanks for showing us. We're going to take a look at a few other things here real quick, but we'll be right back.
All right, thank you.
Yeah. Okay, we have relocated within the expansive Hustler Cadet Dewalt booth.
I get tired of walking this booth sometimes.
Yeah, you got some real estate here. We're going to talk a little handheld here, battery powered, and we've got some new features for these tools. One of the key things for contractors is that these batteries can be interchanged between these machines, but as folks have developed, sometimes the batteries run out, and you've got some solutions for that. So kind of walk us through what you've got cooking.
So we have a full suite of commercial grade battery handheld products coming out. Some of it's in market already for 2025. The rest of the suite's coming for 2026. And this commercial grade stuff, so the one that's out in the market today is equivalent to a 30cc gas string trimmer. That's available in trimmer, brush cutter, brush saw. And then the more popular one, size-wise, will be coming out in 26, and that's your 28cc equivalent, which is right here in a string trimmer, straight edger, curve shaft edger. And these all have a magnesium gear case in them. They all have connectorizers for all of the components inside. So if you do have a part that needs to be replaced, you're not soldering wires and moving things back and forth. We also have a backpack blower that blows 850 CFMs, and all of those tools have this user interface. So you can easily see how much battery charge you have, and you can adjust your speed for what job you're trying to do, so you can conserve that battery life. You don't always need to be running full tilt. You can run that thing on eco mode and get 2, 3, 4 times the battery life out of it. But the great thing about DeWalt is we use one rail system. So we have a flex volt technology where these are 60 volt tools. They run a flex volt battery, that the same battery that goes into this unit will then go into your grinders, your impacts, your grease guns. So you don't have to have a multitude of tools on site. Then the one thing we've ran into is, how are we going to run batteries all day? How are we going to charge batteries? We have 2 solutions for that coming in 2026. One, we have these battery harnesses, so you can easily clip batteries in and be able to wear the fuel, I call it, throughout the day. When we know that this string trimmer, usually around 2 batteries is equal to a tank of fuel, we don't want you to be on a back 40 and run out of fuel.
Right.
We want you to have that power on hand to be able to do that. And then how are we going to charge these batteries? Now we have a smart charging solution where you can plug this one power manager into an outlet. It will charge 6 of our 4-port chargers without blowing a breaker. These can also be daisy chained. So with one of these, you can charge 24 batteries in about 5 hours. So it's an overnight charge solution. Then if you plug 2 of these in, you're probably looking at about 10 hours to charge over 40 batteries. That way you've got enough battery power to get you through the day.
That's great, and that's just flexibility for contractors who are maybe making the transition to battery power.
That's right.
If folks want to learn more about this product, the Hustler mower we looked at earlier, where
Yeah.
can they go?
For Hustler, we're going to go to hustlerturf.com. And then for Dewalt, we're going to go to dewalt.com. And
All right.
go visit your local dealer. That's where you're going to get the best experience.
Absolutely. And
Yep.
we have those websites on the screen right now. So, Aaron, thanks so much for your time,
Good
man.
chatting again,
Really
as
appreciate it.
always.
Great
Thank
seeing
you.
you.
Yep.
This is Scott Hollister at Equip Expo 2025, and you're watching Landscape Management TV.